so today we are going to the Burger King. Okay, so here is the Burger King. So at least I'm just gonna drink some Coke first because I just have so delicious. And there's like chicken nuggets. This Coke is so masarap. What's in here? Masarap is tasty. And now let's gonna eat some fries. So delicious. Okay, so I get this one here. This is delicious. Because this is chicken nuggets. Now let's go eat.
Sige, kakain muna kami.
My chicken nugget.
Gusto ko yan.
What is this song?
Yung pinapanood ko pena na ATV.
Ah, si Demi. Hindi
Oh,
niya
that's
sa
good.
top 10. Yung laging pinaka-dinner na ba?
Gusto ko mga ganyang kanta. Kaya ba naman?
Hindi ko 10 din eh.
Bakit?
Delicious.
Parehas.
Ha?
You have?
Yung connect ko.
I have some.
Lyrics kasi minsan parang nalilitan na yung lyrics sa English songs.
Try na ba tayo?
Not yet.
Try na tayo.
Celery.
Sauce ng nuggets.
I don't like sauce.
Sarap ang sauce.
Okay.
Kailan?
Where's my spoon and fork? And that's gonna right. This is a rice. Look at the rice.
Saan yan?
Look at this rice. It's too hot. And they got chicken nuggets. So let's go try it. This is so hot. I'm gonna blow. This is really good. Actually, it tastes from Taiwan. The chicken nuggets from McDonald's. But this is so hot. No, this is so delicious. It's too hot. Well, our dessert is ice cream. And of course, we need a rice. Go. Delicious. Because it's good. How about we're gonna?
Hindi kasi kami magkasundo.
Let's do the houses. The fried burger. The greasy. The flavored water.
What happened to them?
10% flavored water. Not long.
Tastes real good. Tastes really good because clear.
Masarap. Parang sa Taiwan.
Yeah. Remember, I don't eat
Yung mga organic talaga, hindi yung electronic. Kasi nag-effort siya. Ano yung nag-effort? Pero,
Well, juice.
ano mas gawin ng spice?
Brush it up. That's good. Taste it up. And of course, yeah. Too hot. The rice, really tastes good. Yeah, more it goes. Really tastes good, right?
Pinata kaya naman sa concert.
Siyempre, single yun. Pag single, or may music din na
Yup.
Bakit?
Now, eat more of this.
Yun siya, ano?
What?
Pero yung parang tipong paulit-ulit na parang hindi mo nabundok siya yung parang sa pag-inuita. Parang parang lang, ganun yun. Sa album, ganun yun. May parang medyo nagiging boring. Ako din gangsta naman parang yun. May hindi na song na ayaw na talaga yung sa kanila. Yung sa album, yung album song.
Yup. Tastes really good, right?
Last, yung sa pinabago mo ng album. Yung unang album.
Ate, gusto mo yung blouse doon sa H&M?
I don't know.
Hindi mo isusuot. Isusuot.
What is the blouse?
Yun nandun yung parang dark pink. Susuot mo.
Really good, right?
Ano si ate? ATC ka next week.
Mmm. Yeah. Yeah, my favorite. Well, I'm enough for chicken nuggets. I'm enough for chicken nuggets. I can drink only Coke.
Hmm?
I enough for chicken nuggets
Why?
because I have 4.
One for you, one for me.
Yata bumala.
What?
One for you.
Yata bumala. Kasi parang nag-work yung yun ko. Ano nawala na sa akin na ako. Baka yung
Nawala.
kasi gumamit
This is good. Just gonna.
So, ano siya?
Nawala siya. Natutunaw naman.
Oh, it's him.
Kaso nga lang.
Let's drink
Talagang
Coke first.
inuman mo ng tubig.
Hindi naman ko talaga. Bagay nyo yun. Bilis yun.
Mmm. Yeah, good.
Bakit nuggets mo na?
What's it? Huh?
mga, diba, yung mga sikat na kanta. Mga lyrics na tungkol sa, mas maginano, pera, sarili nila.
So, but after I eat this, I'll eat ice cream.
Mga rap, yung parang, gano'n.
Naiirita na nga ako.
Yung mga ganun din. Ayoko
I think I-
nadadaan sa mga words. Sa akin yan!
Huh?
Ito sa'yo!
Nakainan na niya.
Yung mga bibigay.
Okay. Good.
Okay, watch me red, watch me red.
Here we have ice cream.
Ewan ko, baka sa fasting ko to, wala kang matasa.
And it's gonna mix so it's gonna be like pink. Because red plus white equals to like pink or the other. Well, it's okay. Right here. This is icy. Yeah, it's icy.
It's, ano?
It's icy. Well, really is. It means like a long food. Okay, so thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Okay, so bye. Please subscribe. Please. Come on. Bye.